Talk about the metal space, and it's Hindustan Zinc that came out with a very strong set of numbers yesterday. Let's interact with the management to understand what the cost of production is, what is the outlook on silver, and more importantly, where are they seeing zinc prices and the demand for zinc headed. We have Mr. Arun Mishra, CEO and whole-time director at Hindustan Zinc, joining us on the show. Mr. Mishra, good morning and thanks for your time today. Let's first begin by talking about the zinc cost of production. For you, that has fallen to $940 per ton in Q3, which is your lowest in the last 5 years. How should we think about cost of production trends for Q4 and FY27, especially with the new capacity additions that you've just undertaken?
So we will continuously work on this cost, and as you have already said, that for zinc, our target is to keep the cost between $950 to $1,000 per ton. This quarter has been $940 per ton, and I think we will improve further in Q4 on this.
Okay, and Mr. Mishra, silver prices, they've remained elevated on the back of supply tightness and strong industrial demand. Do you see current price levels as sustainable into FY27, and how does this translate into earning sensitivity for you?
No, silver will contribute maybe 44-45% of our profit. And see, the prices, I don't want to guess, and I can only wish that the prices remain same in entire of this current year fiscal, and why not this year, even the year next. But our focus is on volume. That is, we produce more and more silver. We increase silver recovery. Whatever grade we have in the mine, how to extract the maximum out of it. Those will be our areas of work. Prices are determined by various other factors, so we'll leave it at that.
Okay, and also, Mr. Mishra, talk to us very strong margin show in Q3. The EBITDA margin crossed 55%. How much of this is structural versus how much of it is driven by the hike in commodity prices we've seen, and how sustainable is this 55% mark going ahead?
So as far as Q3 is concerned, Q3 specifically, if you look at our production has gone up by, MIC production has gone up by 7%, though that by mined metal cost has gone down. Our metal production has gone up by 9% over Q2. Our silver production has gone up by 10% over Q2. So additional volumes have contributed. At the same time, our efforts on cost reduction, whether it is additional domestic coal consumption, increase in renewable power in the power mix. So all that have contributed to our cost becoming lower. And this effort will continue even further as well. So I think those are the current figures for higher EBITDA margin. And as long as we are supported by price as well, of course, silver prices have helped a lot as far as EBITDA margin is concerned. And you must have noted in the result, we have done a little bit of a concentrate sale as well. The concentrate that was stocked for a long time, and we were unable to smelt it. Instead of allowing it to degrade, we have sold it, and we have basically encashed that concentrate. That has added to the EBITDA as well.
And what proportion of silver and zinc volumes are hedged, and how insulated are you in terms of near-term earnings from commodity volatility?
No, we have no percentage-wise. We don't. Of course, whatever we do is a function of at that point of time whatever price is. So I will not comment any further on that hedging.
Okay, so that's on hedging, but also talk to us about your capacity. You have a number of projects underway. Tell us about the capex financing plan and timelines for some of your capacities.
No, capex, we will be self-funding only. So as far as ability to fund capex is concerned, absolutely no issues. We have just announced a total of maybe around 12 plus 16,000 crores worth of investments, and which will be spanning over next 3 to 4 years. And we will further announce projects. And with our ability to generate more than $2 billion EBITDA per year at a 1 million ton level, I don't see any trouble in funding our own projects.
Okay, and by when will the Chandigarh, Dariba and Debari projects start meaningfully contributing to top-line growth for you?
250 KTPA smelter should come in line by next year is 27. By 28 January, it should come in line.
Okay, and after a strong show in the third quarter, are you maintaining your FY26 volume and cost guidance that you had shared after the previous quarter, or are you seeing some room for more upgrades post your strong quarter three performance?
Only one in Q3 we have made up little bit of loss that we had incurred in H1. So I don't think we have any reason to now correct the guidance, and Q4 should be to consolidate on this and go as much close or better, as much close to guidance as possible.
Okay, and how do you see global zinc and silver demand supply shaping up over the next 1 to 2 years, especially amid slowing mine supply, rising energy transition linked demand, and the like?
Silver demand will, as you have said correctly, both the factors will keep working. Silver demand will continue to grow. I have no doubt in that. And even in India's journey to net zero, we'll see demand in industrial silver in India also will grow. As far as zinc is concerned, roughly growth expected is 1.5 to 2%. So not much in change in there. There would be some amount of additional capacities coming in. We'll have to figure out how that translates into additional concentrate supply and prices going forward. But I guess, I mean, this current prices of zinc may be corrected by $100 here and there, and it will remain stable in that zone.
Okay, Mr. Mishra, always a delight talking to you. Thank you so much for your time this morning, and good luck for the quarters to come ahead as well. Because I was the management of Hindustan Zinc, that stock absolutely flat, given away all the gains from the day's highest point, and that is the same that you can see for the